Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anisia Mwaniki. On this channel, I talk about social etiquette, which we know is the art of behaving correctly or having good manners. And then today's video is one in a series on the topic of meals and table etiquette, and it's specifically on drinks. It's a continuation of a video that I have already had on which drinks and when to serve them, and we talked about three broad like categories of drinks that can be served before, during, and after meals. And then I thought that today we can talk about some basic terminology or some basic terms that go with this topic on drinks. I've divided them into two, like a broad outline. Is that those terms that refer to reading the label on the bottle, because each bottle of those drinks that you're going to buy or have has some very specific information. Number one, it shows you the alcohol content in that particular bottle. It's usually indicated in percentage, and then the abbreviations ABV, which means alcohol by volume, and that will tell you or indicate to you whether that drink has very high or low or medium kind of alcohol content. Then the second term that helps when you're buying wines especially is that to know whether the wine is red, white, or rose, and that can inform you so that you know which ones to choose depending on what kind of meals it's going to accompany. Yeah? And then three, the third term that is there or indicated on the label is whether the drink is dry or sweet. Dry simply means that it has no sugar, yeah, either natural or added sugar, yeah. And then sweet, of course, is the opposite. It means it has some sugar. And then number four, it's whether a wine is full or light-bodied. Full-bodied wines means that it has an alcohol content of 13 and above, because the range of the amount of alcohol contained in wines can vary quite greatly. Yeah. And then the second set of terms are used in the service of these beverages. So number 5 will be neat. Yeah? What do we mean when we serve a drink neat? It just simply means there's nothing added to that drink. It's served as it is, without any additions, without any mixing. That's why when we talk about tots and shots, we are referring to ordering a neat drink. Yeah. Then number 6 would be that drink is served on the rocks. What this means simply is that it is served with ice cubes. And then number 7, cocktail. Cocktail means that it's a mixture of different drinks, usually 3 or 4, where it is mixed in such a way that none overpowers the other. Yeah, there are people who are specialized in actually just making the cocktails. And then number 8 of these terms, these basic terms, is that the drink is served as a long drink. A long drink means that it is an alcoholic drink that has been mixed with a soft drink. Yeah, and usually served in a big glass, or what we call a highball glass. And we will get familiar with these terms as we go along. Yeah. And as I said, that knowledge always gives us an edge. Yeah. Once we familiarize ourselves with these basic terms, we feel more confident, we feel more comfortable. We will stop buying drinks, like I said, not from the color of the bottle, or just by the name, or just because my friends are buying it, or just because I'm out there. Of course, it's true, we start by being clumsy, or not being in the know-how. That's okay. That's okay. That's perfectly okay. But as time goes by, let's give ourselves time to learn. I'll keep on emphasizing on that. We give ourselves time to learn, yeah, because it will make us, or help us, even make better choices and feel more comfortable and confident. And depending on the setting we find ourselves maybe thrown into, maybe very unfamiliar grounds, if we have this basic information, it will help us, like I say, feel comfortable and socialize more comfortably. Yeah. And like I said, don't feel shy if you don't know. Yeah. If you don't know, it's because it's new to you, it is foreign to you. Yeah. But that doesn't mean that you can't learn. You learn. Yeah. And own up to it. If I don't know, I don't know. I go out of my way and try to learn. Yeah. And because like I say, knowledge will always give us that. It will instill that confidence, yeah, in our social setting. Now that we're talking about social etiquette, it will give us that confidence in our social setting. And with that, just make sure you don't miss any of the series of the videos that I'm having, because it will help us for the continuity, yeah, and to build that information, that stall of information or knowledge that we are trying to build. And with that, see you in the next one. Ciao.